What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review on a product that I bought today at a store called Five Below. Now if you guys are familiar with Five Below, check out this video. This is something that might interest you. Now this device I picked up is a QI wireless charging pad, and it works with iPhones and Androids. Now, currently right now, it works with the iPhone 8, iPhone 8 Plus, and iPhoneX, but if you look on the back and you read in detail, it says it works for iPhone X, iPhone 8 Plus, iPhone 8, Samsung Galaxy S9, S9 Plus, Galaxy S8, S8 Plus, and the Galaxy Note 8. Also followed by the LG G6, V20, and V30. This does include a wireless charging pad and an instruction manual. Now it does tell you the specifications as far as the input, 5 volts, etc. Now the only downfall about this product is you have to purchase a USB cable in order to connect it to the charging pad. Well, I have several at the house, so basically I don't need to go out to Walmart or any other store to purchase this. Okay, so what I'm going to go ahead and do is open up this box, and I'm going to take it out and I'm going to show you. And I would do it with two hands, but right now I'm technically filming with my other. But as soon as you open up the box, you get your instruction manual. Throw that out. The reason why is because all you gotta do is plug it into a USB to this charging pad and you're ready to go. So as you can see, the circular part, it feels like glass, but it's not. If I would, let me take it out here. Okay, it does feel like glass. The texture feels like glass, but it's not. It's more like that fake glass plastic material. So it really feels good in the hands. The piece right here, it's soft plastic. It doesn't really have a texture, but it is really smooth. And then on the back, it just tells you basically the model, the input, the output, and it was made in China. Okay, so again, this is going to work with iPhones and Androids, especially the ones that was mentioned on the back of this box. So I'm going to go ahead and hook it up and see what it does. So right now I have my iPhone plug here because I have the iPhone 8, and that's going to be this device right here. Okay, this is my daily driver for right now. I wanted to try the iPhone just to get an idea what it is. A lot of you guys are out there like, oh, iPhone sucks, but you know, I'm giving the iPhones a benefit of the doubt. I'm also an Android user, and I use a Galaxy Note 8, so it's a win-win. So this right here is the iPhone plug that originally came with my iPhone 8, and this right here is the USB connection that I have plugged in to the plug from my iPhone 8. That's from my Galaxy Note 8. Okay, so I'm going to plug it in here. I'm going to go ahead and connect it like so. Okay, so when you plug it in, it turns on like so. It lights up blue and then it stays red. So obviously it's getting power to it. Now at the bottom, if you pay attention right here, you got these paddings. That's going to give you support for your charging pad, so it's not sitting directly onto whatever furniture you apply it on. So it gets that really good support. So now I'm going to go ahead and put my iPhone 8 onto the charging pad, and we're going to see what happens. Okay, and it's charging. That's awesome. So right now it's at 84%, and if you pay attention right here to the top right, it has that bolt, and that's basically telling you that it's charging, as you can see there. And then I'm going to go ahead and remove it off the charging pad, and then it goes back to red. And if you pay attention, the lightning bolt right here is not there at all. So I'm going to charge it back onto the pad. It's charging. So that's pretty freaking cool for $5 compared to if you go to Best Buy or if you go to Walmart, you're going to be spending almost $60, $70 on a charging pad. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to lay my Galaxy Note 8 onto, actually, you know what? I have an LG G6. Give me one moment. Okay, so here's my LG G6, and I still have the adapter from iPhone 8 connected to the charging pad. I'm going to go ahead and lay the LG G6. Now the LG G6 is turned off, but obviously if you were to plug it in when the phone is turned off, it's still going to charge. So I'm going to go ahead and lay it down on the charging pad and see what happens. And it's charging. Holy shit. So it does work for the LG G6. I laid it on the charging pad. It started lighting up blue. The LG G6 ThinQ logo popped up, powered by Android. And I'm going to show you that it's not connected to a USB, the charging port, but it is connected to the charging pad itself. And it is plugged in to my outlet. So it is compatible with the LG G6 like the box said. It is compatible with iPhones like the box said. Again, I picked this product up at Five Below for $5. And I didn't think it was going to work. I really didn't think it was going to work at all, to be truthfully honest. But I had to buy it. I had to try it out just to see for myself. So if you think this is worth $5, give me a thumbs up for this video. I'm definitely giving this a thumbs up because this is best $5 freaking I ever spent, and it saves so much issues on having to charge it with wires. So it does work with the LG G6. It does work with the iPhone 8, iPhone 8 Plus, Note 8, S9, S9 Plus. So if you have a Five Below near you, pick this item up. It is really worth the money. So other than that, guys, if you like this video, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Until then, I will catch you all on the next video.